Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Zapier account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in zapier.com, press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Zapier. From here, you'll be able to log in to your account. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the option for login. Simply click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the login interface of Zapier. You can see over here, you'll be able to log into your account. All you have to do is enter your email over here. Click on the field of email and enter the email. Or if you do not want to log in with email, you'll also be able to find the option for login with Google, Facebook or Microsoft. So you can simply click on the option of your choice. If you've selected the option for email, simply enter your email over here. After you do that, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll have to enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option forget password and you'll be able to recover it. If not, simply enter your password over here. Now after you enter your password, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here, you'll easily be logged into your Zapier account. So that is how you log in Zapier account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.